This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Kaspa coin on KuCoin. First, you'll need to create and verify your KuCoin account, which is a straightforward process. Once your account is set up, fund it by depositing USD or another supported cryptocurrency. This initial step ensures you have the necessary funds ready for your Kaspa purchase. Make sure your account is fully verified to avoid any withdrawal limits. Now that your account is funded, find the KAS/US trading pair on KuCoin. You can choose between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price. Enter the desired amount of Kaspa you wish to buy, then confirm your order. Always double-check the details before finalizing your purchase. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Always enable two-factor authentication on your KuCoin account for an extra layer of protection. For long-term holding, consider withdrawing your Kaspa to a personal, non-custodial wallet. Research various Kaspa wallet options to find one that best suits your needs, ensuring you control your private keys for maximum security. Beyond buying, consider understanding market trends and price action to make informed decisions. Utilizing stop-loss orders can help manage your risk effectively, protecting your investments from significant downturns. Remember, diversification is key in crypto. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.